wonderful and about knowledgeable. Thank you. Over.
I couldn't come earlier and join this very informative seminar where a basic light was thrown on how things work, how a radio works, how much of hard work and dedication is being put from the other side, which is never seen, never visible to all of us. But when I attended the 1/4 session, I realized it's worth it and how much of dedication they have been carrying from their side, carrying all the heavy bags to this floor, and at the same time giving you all the life experience of this thing, which they think that will help you develop something wonderful inside you. So definitely I am very grateful to the team. Congratulations. May the children find something very interesting and go forward. Over.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words and appreciation for my whole team. Thank you so much. At this point of time, I am very much thankful to my ex-wife, Kiran, and my daughter, VU2EXP, Sakshi, for supporting me all the time. So this is a hobby of the mad people and crazy people, HI. So just any mad or crazy people can pursue all these things full time. So this is the thing, madam. But we appreciate and thanks a lot. And I would like to hear other madam. Okay, madam, please have some feedback from your side. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Practice Secretary. We are very glad and very happy with this kind of wonderful station Senior School has organized for our kids. And we get lots of things, lots of knowledge, and really it will help them out if anybody of them being career in this field. And thank you all of you for giving us such an informative session. Thank you. Over.
Okay. Thank you.
This is Sagar Sonara from the regular session, and I just want to say one thing, that we don't have to do things with a great mind, we just have to pursue it first. When we pursue it, it becomes a great thing. And I always say one word to my kids, that there is always a room for improvement. So if you just enlighten yourself with the thought of the curiosity, you always find something better for yourself. And thank you, all of you, for organizing. And our management always say that experimental things and experiential things. So this is a one type of the frequency which you cannot see by your naked eyes, just like your microbes, but this exists along with us. So